Welcome everybody to my channel. This video is for people that struggle with thin eyebrows or no eyebrows at all. This is how I fill in my eyebrows. I'm no expert, but I hope it helps you. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is try to define where I want my eyebrow. You could use eyeshadow or eyebrow kit, whatever you want. If you use eyeshadow, make sure it don't have shimmer in it. What I'm using is a eyebrow kit from Sally's. I'll put the name down below. It's the dark brown. Then I go in with a dark brown pencil. This one is from Walmart. I believe it's like $2 from Wet n Wild. Make sure your pencil is really sharpened because you want to draw those hairs, lightly. Don't press on your pencil because you'll have those chola eyebrows, It happened to me a lot. When you go, in the front or anywhere in your eyebrow, just like go softly and do like strokes. In the front, strokes softly so they could look like hairs. I'll be using the most cheapest, more inexpensive products because not everybody has the money to buy that $32, $33 pencil for eyebrows, or not anybody's fortune to have the money to spend all that money on makeup. So the next thing, just to clean it up, I'm using makeup. You could use your makeup or under eye concealer, whatever you want. And this is how I do it. Like I said, I'm no expert. I'm just learning, but this is the easiest and most cheapest way to do it. Like I said, not everybody is fortunate to have the money for all this expensive makeup. And well, has worked for me, and this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps you.